We are the University of Wisconsin Law School, a top-rated, dynamic institution offering all the amenities that come with being part of a powerhouse university. With a dynamic curriculum and in-depth hands-on learning, UW Law seeks students committed to creating a more just world.
Nestled in the heart of the UW campus and just a mile from the state capitol, we're proud to call this bustling city home. Recognized as one of the best places to live and work in the United States, Madison is a vibrant hub of art, music, and food. And with 5 lakes surrounding the city, outdoor activities are endless.
Not only is Madison the perfect backdrop to live and study, it's also an incredible city to launch your legal career. Full of federal and state courthouses, law firms, both big and small, government offices, national nonprofits, and healthcare giants. What's next begins right here.
At UW Law, we do things differently. It all starts with a law in action approach to teaching. Here, our students learn how law works in the real world, and not just how it plays out in books. This approach is an integral part of our curriculum, one that we've championed longer than any other law school.
But a law school's curriculum is only as good as the faculty behind it. That's why our professors are renowned legal scholars with vast experiences. From U.S. Supreme Court clerkships to PhDs in other disciplines, every faculty member brings world-class knowledge and expertise to UW Law School.
And our commitment extends beyond the classroom. We believe that your success is grounded not only in supporting you, the student, but you, the person, too.
With our extensive programming, students have access to academic enhancement opportunities, individual career counselors, mental health assistance, and so much more.
We also offer a wealth of co-curricular activities designed to build your skills in oral advocacy, legal research, and writing. And with more than 40 student organizations in different legal areas, you can remain active in the passions that drove you to law school.
At UW Law, equal justice for all is at the core of our educational mission. Our unwavering commitment to the recruitment and retention of diverse students, staff, and faculty is only a part of that commitment.
We are proud of our Legal Education Opportunities Program. We welcome individuals from different life experiences, socioeconomic backgrounds, professional experiences, and goals.
It is our promise to create an inclusive community dedicated to confronting systemic inequality and advancing racial justice. The creation of a more just world starts with you.
Welcome.
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 Welcome to the University of Wisconsin Law School.